awesome. I'm just too excited.
I feel like mum and dad on Christmas Day. Watching the kids open the presents.
Come on, little Johnny.
Do you like it, Michael? Do you like it?
Oh, socks. Yeah, I'll wear them. We have... Nathan convinced me, or told me, that I'm not allowed to use my old exhaust system because it was a piece of crap. So I went and got myself a set of nice Genie tuned extractors.
Tuned. They go to tuned.
And I have to admit, I'm so freaking excited to put these bad boys on and see what they sound like. Why didn't I go Paceys? The reason I didn't go Paceys is because these come out to a 2.5 inch collector, whereas the Paceys come out at a 3 inch, 3 inch collector. And being that I'm running a bog stock 253, I think 3 inch is just going to be too overkill for it. So I think 2.5 inch should, you know, give me that little bit of back pressure that they reckon we should have. So
Man, they look good.
they look alright, huh?
Yeah.
I'm keen to put them on. I like the gunmetal too.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of that. We might just take a little bit off.
You know what I reckon?
Cable stay.
Just go, yeah, just take the corner off it a bit.
The extractors are in.
Yep.
We're just bolting up this now. And then we're going to just fire up just because straight out extractors.
Yeah, that's it. Like, I don't know who wouldn't do this. If you don't do this, you're un-Australian.
That microphone's going to be like, ah! I'll turn it off. Don't let go of the cable.
Do you want to get a zip tie?
Yeah. That was all worth it.
That was worth it.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for zip tie.
It's giving me shivers down my spine.
Well, that was a little bit of childish fun, wasn't it?
You can't always be an uptight adult.
That was cool.
Yeah, that was cool.
Sounded cool.
Sounded really cool. Well, I mean, every car with straight extracts.
So what do we got left to do now? Now we need to
Build an exhaust.
build an exhaust. We could worry about the throttle cable, but
Yeah, we got like throttle cable, spark bleed is touching. That's touching, but we want to build the exhaust.
yeah,
And we want to hear it with an exhaust.
yeah. You can sort of get an idea of how low that extractor's hanging.
Yeah.
So,
I talk to them.
so we want to try and fix that and bring it up a bit. Now that's clashing with the cable stay on the gearbox. So we're going to try and shave that a little bit, but that'll be a next week job, I reckon. Not today. Not today.
Not today, not today.
Do you want to start the day?
Exhaust day. Today we have a lot to do and we have no idea how to do any of it. We're tackling the exhaust today. We've never built a full exhaust system before, so it's going to be a first time for both of us. We've got all the parts, none of the knowledge, and we're going to give it a crack. But the headers are in, so I pulled this off during the week, adjusted it a bit, did a little bit of clearancing, just to get this a bit higher, and then it's still a little bit out, and we found the motor was just a little bit down on this side, so we leveled the motor out a bit, and it's helped somewhat. This one still looks a little bit lower, but I don't think it's an issue anymore. It's not too bad, just by the eyeballometer.
Eyeballometer looks pretty good.
I'm pretty happy with that. So now we have to basically make from here down to the diff, because we're dumping at the diff, just cause. So yeah, got all the pieces. We should probably lay them out and figure out how we do it. Do you reckon we start with the muffler side, or would you start with the cross
No, you start with your X pipe,
X-pipe here?
because we've got to figure out the X pipe's going to go right there, because it clears everything.
Sweet, tight
And
bend.
then, so we'll get to the X pipe, and then come back out, work our way to the mufflers.
Yeah, it's gonna be tight, like to go from here to the X-pipe.
See how we go.
Anyway, we'll get there, hopefully. Let's get into it, eh?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, so we're gonna try get this cross pipe into place.
Yeah. We're going to use a 45, cut it down. We're going to 45 it into this Yep. And then we're gonna and then butt it into there. Simples. And then it's pretty easy, isn't it? Like in theory.
Yeah, it's easy for someone that knows what they're doing.
Yeah. But we're gonna start from there, work our way back, because we want to get it nice symmetrical too.
Yeah.
So right now she's pretty center, like that, and then yeah.
I'm happy with that. I reckon we go for gold from there.
All right, let's do it.
Let's get to work. Do you think it's like a watch kettle never boils?
It's so hard to painful to watch. You kind of just want to go put some weight on it.
As you're saying there.
Go from this to this.
By the way, just so we know today, we've got Nathan the apprentice on today because he's got himself some nice shiny new boots. He's obviously never done any work.
I hate getting new boots.
Yeah, I know, they look pretty lame.
The word.
Let's see the flexibility in those babies. But these, look, you've even done the double knot. Look how nice they are.
So you know why? Key technique. You do the shoelaces up, never have to do them up again.
Oh, really?
You know why?
Because the zip.
So you do them up good once, didn't have to do it again.
But didn't your zip break on your old ones?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Nice.
How's it look?
It looks sick, man.
Yeah, except it doesn't go that way. But how's it look?
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't.
It doesn't.
Wasn't it the other way around?
No, it's that way.
Is it?
Okay, so that's going to be like that. And that's going to be... That's going to be...
It doesn't line up, does it?
No, it does, see? Bada bim,
Are
bada
you sure?
way out. Okay.
This is why I bought 10. Do we...
How do people build exhaust? Do they tack here and continue building back, or do they build two pieces? Like, I'd be happy to tack here and then continue working
I reckon
back.
it's got to be tacked there and continue working
I
back.
think so too. So I'm happy with like that going up like that, and then we'll work from that.
Yeah.
Do you want to do that?
I think we're going to have to.
I think so. All right, get a bzz on there.
Do we know what we're doing?
So we've got our one side to the X pipe, which is nice and in the middle.
Two pieces tacked in.
Which is a good. It's a win because we have no idea what we're doing. But now we can work off what we've done to that. Now that we've got something in place.
It's centered, which is the hardest bit. We kind of fluked that because that was an offcut that we weren't going to use.
What do you mean? We had that. We cut it to precision.
Yeah.
We used protractors and pentagons and we got it.
It's not going to be the best exhaust system in the world, but you know, you learn from one and you'll make the next one better. So that's our plan here. If you got any tips, let us know so we can do it right the next time. But you know, we're just having a crack.
All right, let's tack that on there. You got a marker? Did have one? Don't know where to put it down.
Every time.
Yep.
We've just had what we consider a complete win. Look at that.
It's bloody mint, mate.
Two
Wow,
amateurs.
So Aussie.
Two amateurs have just put together the beginnings of a cross pipe.
Look how good it looks. Like that looks freaking good.
On a side note, have a look at Nathan's new pen storage idea. He's got this really cool idea how when he pulls it, it comes straight out. Do you want to show us, Nathan, how it goes?
Yeah.
Now try to put it back in.
Michael was like, "Oh, you keep losing your pen." I reckon we go boom tack there, boom tack there, boom tack there.
No, I don't reckon we do any of that. We just leave all that loose for the minute until we get this.
You want to leave this loose?
Yeah.
All right, let's build to the mufflers. We need to sit the mufflers where we want them.
Cool. He said, put the... Oh God. He said put the offset
Inside?
at the front.
Yeah.
Yeah. So does it fit in the actual space that it's made
Yeah,
for?
you got heaps. Oh, we're cutting right on that curve, aren't we?
Yeah, that's going to be the hard bit. Like that-ish.
That's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good there, man.
Right in the middle of the curve.
Yeah.
In your professional opinion, how's it look?
Very nice.
Especially after you just dropped
It's
it.
not ovaled out. What you don't want to do when you're cutting on a curve
Just drop it.
is you don't want to cut it like that on a curve and it's an oval. You still want to be able to keep that little kick, but you want it to be a circle still. That's how professional.
You did. Where'd you learn that? That looks good.
Yeah, that's nice.
That looks promising.
That's
Maybe
all the way in.
Put it in the middle. Put it in what
I
you
go
reckon the
middle
is.
and I measure that to that, and then we'll cut the piece. Bada bim,
Oh,
bada
don't
boom.
forget in. It's got to go in.
That slides in there too. So we need
So
to add
go full length. Go to here. Go full length on this.
full
Sorry.
length.
Tape measure? Don't use that one. Use the proper one. Where's the red one? That's. I hate that tape measure. You're gonna use it anyway, aren't you?
Yeah. So we'll go 495.
I gotta say, I'm loving this new welder.
It is bloody good.
This is the best thing I've ever bought.
Oh, it's set up to cut freaking angle.
Well, we haven't butchered it completely, but this is what happens when you run out of exhaust tank stands. But it's looking really good. We've got this muffler basically mocked up in position, and obviously we come out to here. Just use a standard HU bracket and just weld it to the end of the muffler here, because on the end here we're going to put a flange, and then we're just going to do either a 45 or 90. We'll see what happens. I'm wrapped.
Well, I reckon we support it with the jack stands
And fully weld.
and
what
fully
we
weld
can.
as much as we can.
Even if we just go like a weld there, pull it off and weld the top and bottom.
Yeah,
Because our main stretch is here.
yeah,
Like I don't care about that. That's alright. But it's here.
yeah. That's gonna be the tricky
We
bit.
really need to get like as much weld as we can on here and let
Yeah.
it cool. So then I don't know how welding works. But that way like these two flanges aren't under a lot of tension.
Yeah, we'll see. But
So I reckon we just both have a shot. Which side do you want to take?
I don't know. I don't care. You pick your side. I'll
I don't
work
care
your
either.
side.
And fully weld like just a little bit of it.
Yeah.
I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the rain, down in the dirt.
And then we'll fully weld it, put it back, paint it, put it back up, start it up.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to hearing start it up.
So we're going to do the little dumpies now, cutting
Yeah.
a 90 degree in half. It's going to sound good, I hope. I really hope it sounds good and there's no leaks.
There we go. That was easy.
Damn, that looks good, doesn't it?
Which way should we weld first?
We'll weld the bottoms, I guess. Actually, no, tops.
Top, so we don't see
Because
it.
we could practice a bit. Nice, that's solid.
Not the worst exhaust I've ever seen. I'm gonna get stuck into it.
Yeah, go for it,
Welding.
Yeah, go for it. Feel better? Oh,
Yeah.
that's heaps better. Yeah.
Then you can actually see.
Alright, what are we doing, Michelle?
Well, it's pretty much done now. It's all welded up. But to save us the heartache of getting it up in there and then realizing there's a billion holes in it, what we thought we might do is see if we can put some air into it, spray it with some soapy water, and see if we can actually see any air holes coming through.
Wow. Okay, there's none down the other end though.
Yeah, it's probably not getting that far. Go again.
So we put some air into it. We sent some soapy water over it. We only found what, like 4 or 5 holes, I reckon.
5 pinholes,
Yeah.
which we welded up.
So we're basically gas welders now.
Yeah, like you could pass those welds. So yeah, now we're gonna give it a lick of paint, put it up in the car and see what it sounds like.
Yeah, I'm pretty
Which
excited.
we're pretty excited to.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Really excited.
Nathan's about to do his thing, and we're about to cover this beautiful weld that we just did.
Are they beautiful though?
Everything's beautiful, isn't it, these days?
Yes.
Woo, woo, woo. Look at that. Can't even see them shitty welds.
Oh, there we go. Yep, that's in. Woo! Gaskets. Michael's doing up the last 2 bolts, and we're ready to
Fire up.
fire up. Looks really good. We're wrapped with this. It's our first attempt at doing an exhaust, well, like a full exhaust, and well, it's not really a full exhaust because we've ended it at the diff.
Done.
But we've put flanges on the back, so then Michael, if he wants to, can do it over pipe.
It's a big moment.
I know it is.
If this works, you know what's going to happen? We're going to be like, let's just make all the exhausts. Wow. God, it's bellowy, like it's real bassy right in your chest.
You can feel it rattling the shed. That sounds spicy. Holy crap.
This thing's gonna sound wicked. It's heaps raspier than I expected. I thought it was gonna be much deeper, but it's.
I thought so too. I think it's the mufflers.
I think once it carbons up though, it'll probably get a bit.
Yeah,
the raspiness
they are
come out.
probably pretty fresh. Yeah.
So I think once that happens, we'll lose the raspiness.
What do you reckon? Happy?
I'm wrapped.
We did our
Are
first
you happy?
exhaust.
First exhaust.
That was a successful
That
day.
was a very successful day.
It'll be interesting to see how it sounds on the road.
Yeah.
I'm really excited to hear that. Let's call it there, I reckon. That was good fun. Well done. We successfully put in the exhaust kit. It doesn't sound like there's any leaks, so
No, it sounds really good.
we're gonna gas ourselves.
Yeah.
I like how my stand's now going to be black.
Yeah. Sorry.
You're not sorry. You're not sorry at all.
I'm trying to miss it.
You're doing a great job of it. I can see the big black stripe that goes right across. You want my lunch? Come on, food's up. Apparently I ate my pies wrong, so we're about to see a master at work. Cutting oil will be tasty.
Good for you, mate.
You better clean my ruler after that.
Kids these days, they're not tough.
Just eat it like a normal person.
No, you gotta pop the top.
Just eat it like this.
It's hot inside. It's like a. See the steam coming out.
It's all in your head, mate. All you do is just put heaps of sauce in it, so when you burn yourself with the molten
You get
meat,
that little bit of.
you get that little bit of
cold
relief.
sauce. Do you want a drink?
It's your one job to keep track of your marker, and you just keep going, well, I've marked something. It's on the welder, I can see it. Oh, thanks.